Identify prime numbers. Pause the video and try and write down a definition for what a prime number is. Or if you can't do that, at least write down the first 5 prime numbers. So what is a prime number? Well, a prime number has only 2 factors, and they will be 1 and the number itself. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are the first 5 prime numbers. Now note, if you use the definition that a prime number is a number that can be divided by itself in 1, that's not enough, because 1 is not a prime number. It can be divided by itself and 1, but it's only got 1 factor. So 1 is not the first prime number, and indeed 1 is not a prime number, full stop. A prime number will have 2 factors. Okay? Don't get caught out with that. You can pause the video and have a go at example 5 and 6. Example 5, write down the prime numbers between 10 and 20. So the first one's already on that list. 11 can only be divided by 11 and 1. 12 doesn't work. It's got factors, plenty of them, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 13 is prime. 14 can be divided by 7 and 2. 15 can be divided by 3 and 5. 16 can be divided by 8 and 2. Any even number we can really just scrap apart from 2 itself. And we get 17, no numbers going to 17 apart from 17 and 1. And finally 19. Example 6, write down the prime factors of 30. Well, let's just get the factors of 30 first of all. 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 4 times, no, get it right, 5 times 6. So they are all factors, but we want to write down the prime factors. So it has to be a prime number as well. So 2's prime, 3's prime, and 5's prime. So our answer would be 2, 3, and 5.